If not now, when? Snoring is not a sound sleep, it's a sound that disrupts the well-being. Snoring is a predisposing factor for diabetes mellitus, hypertension, heart disease, and stroke. So don't ignore your snore. Score your snore now and grade your snore. To score your snore, you can use the given link and can have the specialist opinion. Yes, we help you to stop snoring and start living. For sleep study appointments, call our Shabdham helpline 73588 59777. Don't wait. Act now. If not now, when?